introduce myself. My name is Talento Pusunggu. Now I want to give my opinion about Prabowo Subianto. As President, Prabowo, unwavering spirit and energetic demeanor could serve as a source of inspiration for Indonesia. His resolute attitude in facing various challenges reflects a strong vision for enhancing national defense and advancing development. His dynamic effort instills hope that his administration will be responsive and capable of swiftly addressing important issues such as security and the economy. However, the biggest challenge will be how Prabowo can balance defense with sensitivity to the aspiration of the people. Listening to the voice of the citizen is crucial for creating policies that are relevant and beneficial. If he can effectively combine these elements, his action could lead to positive and meaningful change for all of us. Thank you all.
Hello, introduce myself. My name is Talento Pusunggu. Now I will be presentation about simple present. Next. What is tenses? Definition of tenses. Tenses is a verb from its grammar that show the time of action or event and the state of this completion. With tenses, the reader of listener will know when the event, activity, or fact occurred, whether it's happening now, whether it's happening in the past, whether it's happening in the future. Nah. There are 19 tenses in English: simple present tense, simple continuous tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense, past future tense, past future continuous tense, past future perfect tense, past future perfect continuous tense. Next. Uh, Based on the use of is verb tenses, sentences are divided into two forms: one nominal forms, two verbal forms. In nominal forms, sentences use nominal as predicate, and verbal forms, sentences whose predicate consists of a verb. The purpose of learning simple present: express habit, routines, and general thoughts used to fix engagement and skill, describe abilities, characteristics, and state, give introduction and comments. Simple present tense describe events that occur in the present, is a simple form of for a job or action that is done repeatedly, or daily habit or event or action that are not related to task. Simple present is used to explain one general activity, two general thought, three habitual action. General activity used to express event or action that are general in nature and have no connection with time. Example: she drank a glass of milk. 2. Jack Wilson works for the Ford Motor Company. Uh, General thoughts: starting and undeniable truth or fact. The sunrise from the east. A habitual action to describe action that have become habits, routines, or done frequently. Contoh, Paul gets up early in the morning. Next. Uh, Formula sentence in active are divided into part. Verbal sentence, nominal sentence. Next. Uh, in verbal sentence, affirmative subject plus base form of the verbs. At as or as for see it. Example, she reads a book. Negative. Subject please do does not base from the verb. She does not read a book. Correction. Do does plus subject the base form of the verb. Example, does she read a book? Does. Next. Nominal sentences affirmative subject plus am is are plus complement. Example, she is a teacher. Negative subject plus as am is are plus not plus complement. Example, she is not a teacher. Question, am is are subject plus complement. Example, is she a teacher? Next. Passive voice. And a sentence whose subject is the active sentence becomes the object in the passive sentence. Uh, Next. Formula subject plus am is are plus participle or past participle plus by past agent if needed. Next. Example are affirmative tenses. The cake is made by the chef every morning. The homework is checked by the teacher daily. Negative sentences. The letter is not written by Sarah. The plans are not related every day. Interrogative sentences. Is the project completed on time? Next. Next. Terms or formula. Positive sentences. Verbal. Subject plus verb 1 s or s object plus object. If you study English, she studies English. In she it at s. Nominal. Nominal subject plus to be plus object. I am a teacher. They are beautiful. She is at home. Note, in verbal sentences, if the subject is plural, Example, student, children, boys, or pronoun I, you, Dewi, then the base verb 1 is not added with anything. Meanwhile, is the subject is singular. We can add it with I plus S or S. Nah, example we can look in the slides. Agree, to agrees, goes, carries, buys. Next. Interrogative sentences. Verbal. Interrogative sentences question are sentences that have question. Verbal. Do the subject plus one plus object. Do you study English? Does he study English? Next. Nominal. To be plus subject plus object. Am I teacher? Are you beautiful? Is at home. Answer a question. A short answer usually use yes I do, no I don't. Nah, contoh. Example.